How I became a day trader. First thing I had to do was learn like crazy every single day and save up money. Now, saving up money was pretty hard at the time, living with my single mother. She needed help with rent a lot, so I started working at 18 years old at a restaurant. I was cleaning dishes all day and being a cook. Then I was able to save up for a moped that goes 35 miles per hour, and I was able to use that moped to drive to a warehouse, working full time there. Started at 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Now I wake up every day driving that moped, and it only goes 35 miles per hour. People always honking behind me or just driving past me real fast, giving me the middle finger, and I just kept going to the warehouse with that moped, and I was able to upgrade to like a 90 per hour scooter. It was pretty fun. Went to North Carolina a few times with it. Yeah, all my friends and everyone was like, you can just get a car, or you can just rent an apartment, because I was living at basements at the time, trying to save my money. So I just ignored all the time what they said, like you can just get this, you can just get that. I just was sticking to my plan, saving money. But working at the warehouse every single day was a crazy good eye opener and good motivation. You just see a lot of people with their dreams dead at the warehouse. They're always asking me like, why are you so happy? And deep down inside I knew it wasn't going to be there for the rest of my life, because I kept learning every day. After I get off at the warehouse, I go straight to my computer and I started learning more about digital media designing, video editing, and motion graphics. So I just do that every single day and learn more about trading. Eventually, I got a full-time job offer as a digital media editor, and I was able to save up more money way quicker, and I finally got a car. And I kept driving the scooter in the car here and there, save gas so much with the scooter. But one time I was on the highway and I got into a really bad accident. This car got me. I went flying across the highway. The ambulance had to come. They said I was going into shock. They took me to the emergency room, ran me through all this testing stuff. And it was the worst pain I felt in my life. But after I recovered, I just started learning more about day trading, learning more about my career. And in the future, I started trading more, getting new brokerage accounts, trying to get past that pattern day trading rule with a different broker's account. Eventually, I got better and better. Yeah, I failed a lot, but I learned from the failures, and I stayed away from FOMO, fear of missing out. I stuck to my strategies. And as the years went by, just getting better and better. And now I teach everyone on DonoTrade.com, the live chat. I'm always posting the top 5s before the stock market opens. In the day trading chat room, this guy made 150. This guy made 3,000, 600, 300. This guy down here made 300. Thanks, Dono. Now in our day trading course right here, we go over getting started day trading right here, and we go over paper trading, where you can use fake money and not real money to learn how to day trade, and the warning to new day traders. This right here is very important for new day traders to go over, and healthy habits of a day trader. And we go over how I personally set up my brokerage account to get the software I use, as you can see in our videos of how I day trade. So if you want to see how I personally set up the brokerage account to get the software I use step by step, just check out this video right here. Then how to use the platform. This video is very long and going in depth on ThinkOrSwim of how I use the software. For active trader, this one's important. I like to set it as 0 right here, 5 right here, and have these 2 checks. Then right here we go over like how to place an order and the cost of the trade, including commissions. Now using the software, I believe it's still to this day free to use commission. We can see it's 0 right here to place an order. We go over stop loss and so much more right here. Very important video. And we go over chasing stocks, being patient with your wins, and make sure you be impatient with your losses right here. And in this video right here, history can repeat itself. This one's going over how you can study the past to try to make an educated decision on what's going to happen in the future. Next one, we have to understand the stock high of day and how that can affect our positions. And we go over taking like a healthy loss right here in this video, because taking losses are very important. You have to know when to take it, because if you don't, it can drain your account and it can be financially devastating, because day trading can be very risky. You have to have some good risk management. Right here we have a video about taking risk and reading a stock chart and trying to identify patterns throughout the chart so you can read it much better. Next video, support and resistance. I use this one every single time I get into a trade. I want to mark my resistance and support, and you have to make sure in this video we're learning about volume. Volume is very important as a day trade, personally for particular stocks. Reading candlesticks. In this video we go over how to read a candlesticks, and we make some graphics to help identify of how to read these candlesticks. Next video we have is controlling your emotions. This is very important, and how not to get rational when you're in a trade, because so many day traders can fail because their emotions are controlling their trades and they get lost in their why behind the trade. Next video we go over dip buying, the PDT rule, very important right here. The why behind the trade. Now you do have to have a reason why you're getting in the trade. Next one we have just day trading. We're going over Robinhood versus Webull for those who are interested in that. Now in this video right here we go over how to short stock. The lower it goes down, the more we make, and we go over the risk that is involved with shorting, because the lower it goes down the more you make, but the higher it goes the more you can lose. So theoretically you can have unlimited loss, because the higher a stock goes the more you can lose. And the next video right here we go over the shorting recap, how we made $1,000 in 13 minutes. Now if you sign up to get access to the video course lessons, you're also going to get access to the live stock chat room, where every single trading day before the market opens I post the top 5 stocks I'm watching and the top stocks I'm looking at short at times, and you're going to get access to future course videos.